How to use Rocket Lawyer estate planning properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people think estate planning online is simple, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can lead to invalid wills, disputed trusts, or unprotected assets. The first mistake is not listing all assets. Rocket Lawyer allows you to create wills and trusts, but beginners who omit bank accounts, real estate, or digital assets risk leaving them out of their estate plan. Another common error is unclear beneficiary designation. Ambiguous names or relationships can create disputes among heirs. Beginners should be precise and consistent to avoid confusion. Many users skip naming executors or guardians. Rocket Lawyer lets you assign these roles, but beginners who skip them leave courts to make critical decisions, which can delay estate administration. Failing to update documents is another pitfall. Life events like marriage, children, or new assets require updates. Beginners who forget may leave their estate plan outdated. Finally, some assume online estate planning replaces professional guidance. While Rocket Lawyer meets legal requirements in most states, complex estates or tax considerations often need an attorney's review. To use Rocket Lawyer properly, list all assets, name precise beneficiaries, assign executors or guardians, update documents regularly, and consult a professional when needed. Avoid these mistakes, and your estate plan will be legally sound, clear, and effective.